So today you can see one of the burning issues here today is the safety of the pedestrian. Anybody who is walking on the footpath today can easily fall in this pit here and fracture his leg. Here if you see, again I can put my leg here, you can see again there is a similar problem. And as you move forward, we come here to the PWD valve. The valve, you can see the valve here. Again the slabs have been kept open, so any person's leg can go inside and get fractured.
पणजे सेफ्टी विकाच्या निमतान फादर आग्नेल कॉलेजीन गोवा कॅनाच्या सांगातान येरादारीन जागृताय करपाक रॅली काढली. प्रवाशांनी साइन बोर्डाचे पालन करचे ह्या हेतान ही ड्रायव्ह काढल्या. पणजे पिलार जंक्शनार एकय बस स्टॉप नाशिल्ल्यान येरादारी करप्यांक आणि थळाव्यांक त्रास जाता. सेफ्टी विकाच्या निमतान फादर आग्नेल कॉलेजीन गोवा कॅनाच्या सांगातान येरादारीन जागृताय करपाक रॅली काढली. कॉलेजान वचपी विद्यार्थ्यांनी अपघातांचो भय उक्तायला. स्पीड ब्रेकर, झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग, साइन बोर्ड्स, ट्रॅफिक पुलिस या गजालींचेर सरकारान लक्ष दिवपाक जाय.
We have organized this program, GOACAN, along with the Consumer Welfare Cell of Father Agnel College of Arts and Commerce, with a specific focus on two things. One is road safety and traffic management. One of the biggest challenges we have seen for the last so many years, we have been coming to this college to do the program, and we found that one of the biggest problems here is there is no proper bus stop for the students and the teachers. Now, what is the reason for this? It's basically because all agencies have not come together. This issue can be taken up where Panchayat, the traffic police, Directorate of Transport, all education institutions come together and look at this junction as a very important junction.
See, today first thing, as we have noted over here, 2 bus stops are required. The reason being there are a lot of schools and a lot of colleges around here, a lot of students coming in, so it would be nice if there were 2 proper bus stops on both sides of the road. So that way safety of the students, safety of the people, and also we need some signages. Whole lot of signages are missing. Speed limits and indication of speed breakers.
So here, do you think some responsibility that the local panchayat or local politician has to be taken over here?
Everybody should get together, in the local bodies, the transport, the traffic, everybody should get together, including the PWD, and try to solve this problem.
One of the activity which we conducted today is about the road safety measures and wearing of the helmet and other awareness of overspeeding, etc. that we are trying to create awareness among the public. We also thought that we need to have a nice bus stop at this place, and this is another demand which all the students are putting forward.
We want to create awareness because many of us are not wearing the helmet and we are not seeing the speed limit. As a result, many of them are losing their lives. So for that only we are Father Agnel College students here creating an awareness that we want a proper bus stand and we want a proper bus stop, and we also need people to become aware of the situation around us.
सध्या सुरक्षा महिनो चालू आसा 2024 आणि ह्या 24 आमच्या सुरक्षितते खातीर आणि वाहन चालकांच्या सुरक्षितते खातीर वाहन चालकांनी जे नियम आहा सुरक्षेचे ते पाळपाक जाय, कायद्या नियमांचे पालन करपाक जाय. तशेंच ह्या जंक्शनाचेर हे पिलार जंक्शन हांगा दोशी सायडीनी स्कूल्स आहा, कॉलेजीस आहा, हायर सेकंडरीज आहात आणि त्या शिवाय हांगा लोकांचो मुवमेंट चालू आहा आणि जी रहदारी जी चलता ती नियंत्रित दवरपाक आणि सुरळीत चलपाक लागून हेतून इम्प्रूवमेंट करपाक लागून हांगा साइन बोर्ड्स व्यवस्थित पयली जाय.
शेख आतां हिंगा जायतो ड्रायव्ह जालो स्टुडंटाचो एंड डिमांडींग फॉर द बस स्टॉप. आतां तुमी हिंचे लोकल, तुमकां कितें हिंगा बस स्टॉपाची गरज आहा कशी दिसता?
आमकां सगल्यांकूच आमकांच न्हू, आनी जे बस स्टॉप जावोच, बस स्टॉप गरजेचो लोकांचो.
आनी आतां हिंगा आतां इतलो तेम हिंगा बस स्टॉप ना आहले सो लोक साफरपा जाता हिंगा.
सामको जाता म्हणल्यार 100%. लोक खंय रावचे आनी खंय वचचे लोकांक कळना, वतना आनी हें जाता.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो, गौतमी गांवकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.